I just couldn't stay in bed. It's too much interesting work over here in the shop, and I had to share it with you. Look who came out like a sweet little lady. The old Champ 2. Oh, just take a look. It was totally worth all the effort. And I'm really ecstatic about how it came out. But I'm here to answer the question that's been on your minds the most since you've joined the channel, no doubt. Why in the name of God do you only post videos with right hand 3/4 shots? Well, it's a small shop, but good news is I do have an additional camera mount that I will be bringing into the picture, no pun intended. But for now, enjoy. And I have a special little surprise on an amp that many people have never seen in person. Oh, you've seen it on the internet, but have you actually seen one? In addition to that, what's even more elusive is capturing a sound sample of one, because not many people have posted anything worthwhile online. So while I'm not focused on audio so much, I'm going to do my best to really capture the upcoming restoration for you guys, just for a historical document. And it's not some magical or mythical beast. It's just something that I never see. Do you know what this is? You probably know who it was made by, but do you know what it is? We'll see.